Technical mastery. Professional machine handling. And beasts cutting wood effortlessly. These dangerous yet fascinating machines are bound to leave you wanting for more. Stay tuned and witness the greatest moments ever captured. The VM60SR slices through this massive tree trunk like they're made out of butter. One swipe and boom, timber! If trees had legs, they'd be running for cover. It's fast, loud, and absolutely unstoppable. Watch it rip through nature like it's got a personal vendetta against wood. Now, here's another one of the beasts. Have you ever seen a stump get evicted? This excavator handles it like a pro. One scoop, and bam! Years of tree roots get pulled up like weeds. Efficiency at its finest, and destruction at its most satisfying. No negotiations, no second chances, just pure mechanical dominance. If stumps had feelings, they'd be calling their lawyers against Cat 305E2. With its powerful claw, it rips them out like a dentist pulling bad teeth. Grab some popcorn and enjoy the show. This machine reduces wood to dust within seconds with its magnificent power. When this bad boy rolls in, trees don't just fall, they get erased. The Dipper Fox is just like the king of the forest, while everything else there is its prey. It's as if watching a demolition derby, but with wood. Some people use shovels to remove stumps. Amateurs. This beast grinds them into oblivion. The ground shakes, wood chips fly, and before you know it, boom, gone. This thing chews through trees like a hungry monster at an all-you-can-eat buffet. Wood chips fly, sawdust rains down, and the forest gets a serious haircut. Absolute madness. Ever seen a machine move like lightning? If destruction was an Olympic sport, this thing would take gold. This isn't just brute force, it's finesse. Each cut is perfectly placed, making tree branch removal look like an art form. Just so satisfying to watch. This beast is a total wood-chopping beast. It grabs a giant tree, slices through it like a hot knife through butter, and boom, instant logs. No waiting, no struggling, just pure unstoppable cutting power. Sawdust flies, logs roll, and in seconds the job is done. No back-breaking work, no old-school axes, just a super fast, no-nonsense log-making machine. It's like watching a giant angry chef preparing the world's biggest stack of firewood. This man preferred to execute the tree instead of simply cutting it down. Plus, let me tell you this much, if chainsaws had a Michelin star, this one would have 3. Ever seen a tree do the cha-cha? Well, probably not, but this man made sure to make it wobble before it hit the ground. It's a symphony of destruction. Buzzing, cracking, crashing. Mother Nature's own rock concert. Do you hear that buzzing? That's the sweet sound of trees meeting their maker. This chainsaw doesn't just cut, as you can see, it obliterates. One wrong move and you've got firewood for a year. The precision, the speed, the sheer power. It's like a Formula 1 race, but for cutting timber. One swift slice and boom, it's over before you even blink. Watching this monster at work is like witnessing medieval justice, but way faster and way cooler. If trees could talk, they'd be screaming for mercy. Or, should I say, if trees had ghosts, this machine would be haunted. This thing goes by so quick that it could give the Flash a run for his money. One swipe and the tree is history. Blink and you'll miss it. However, that's not all. If you thought tree cutting was slow, think again. This chainsaw operates at warp speed. Every cut is clean, and every move is calculated. It's like a sculptor, but instead of statues, it's making a pile of future coffee tables. The tree, well, it never stood a chance. One slice and it's game over. Watching this machine work is like seeing a master chef carve the perfect steak, except instead of food, it's slicing through nature's skyscrapers. This man isn't cutting down trees. Rather, his job is far more difficult because it requires the perfect angle and the perfect strike. This machine doesn't just remove stumps, it pulverizes them into oblivion. The ground trembles, wood splinters fly, and another chunk of Mother Nature's leftovers disappear. This stump thought it could stand its ground. Cute. One pull from the excavator and it's flying out like a bad tooth. Mother Nature may be strong, but this excavator, well, it's stronger. It scoops, rips and tears through stumps like they're made out of paper. It is amazing how these machines turn towering trees and stubborn stumps into yesterday's problems. From chainsaw carnage to excavator domination, we just witnessed pure unfiltered power in action. If machines had a superhero league, these beasts would be the MVPs. If you've got a favorite moment, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button because we've got more insane machine action coming your way. Until next time, stay safe, stay awesome, and remember, never challenge an excavator to a game of tug of war. You will lose. Thanks for watching.